Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, I will teach you about the t-test in Excel and f.test in Excel, right? So what is the difference between the t-test and f.test? T-test actually calculate the two means are same or equal. On the other hand, f.test actually investigate the two groups variance is equal, right? So in both case, actually we need to calculate or we need to assume a hypothesis, right? So in the t-test, for example, forget about the f-test, we will talk about later, right? So imagine your comparison test score of the different teaching method, right? Here is teaching method 1 and here is teaching method 2, I mean A and B. So we would like to calculate, is there any difference between this teaching method? So our hypothesis is there is no significant difference between the teaching method. On the other hand, the alternative hypothesis, right? Please see here, the alternative hypothesis is there is a significant difference between the teaching method A and B. Okay, so this is the hypothesis. Now, how we can test it? So once again, just go to the data analysis, and here you will find the t-test paired t-test. We are assuming that the unequal variance, right? So two sample t-test, two sample assuming unequal variance. Just click OK. So here the variable one, say for example from here to there, variable one, variable range 1, and here the variable range 2, right? So variable range 2 is a label. I mean this first row is a label, right? And I'd like to see the output range in here. Say for example here, output range I would like to see here. Okay, so click OK. So you will find this result. So how we can interpret this result actually? So we need to look at the p-value. So this is the p-value, two-tailed p-value, right? So p-value should be less than 0.05. In here, the p-value is less than 0.05. If the p-value is greater than 0.05, there's no significant difference, right? But here the p-value is less than 0.05. It means we can say the teaching method A and teaching method B, there is a significant difference between the teaching method A and teaching method B. Okay, so on the other hand, we are talking about the mean value, right? On the other hand, if we think about the variance of teaching method A and teaching method B, how we can calculate it, right? So same, go to the data analysis, and here you will find the f.test to sample for variance, right? So click OK. So here you need to put the variance, range 1, and here you can select the range 2, right? So range 2. So this is the label. I mean first row is a label, and output, say for example we are putting output is in here, right? So click OK. So this is the result of f value. So how we can calculate the f value, or how we can interpret the result? See here, the f value is greater than the critical f critical, right? So 1.18 is greater than 1.70. So we need to keep I in here, right? So if the f value is greater than f critical value, then you can say the teaching method, the variance of teaching method A and variance of teaching method B are difference, right? So our alternative hypothesis is true and our null hypothesis is false, right? So in this way we can calculate the f-test and t-test. So it's all about f-test and t-test, and where we can calculate, how we can calculate, and how we can interpret the result of t-test and f-test. I think it's clear to you all. Hopefully this video will be helpful for your future career, right? Okay, so if you have some more idea, some more comments, or some different example, you can write it in the comment box, or if you have any question, you can write in the comment box so that I can give some more advanced um, answer to you. So up to the next video, so just keep me in your prayer. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.